Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be more than just an incremental upgrade. It's looking like a major leap forward. Fresh leaks reveal it's getting Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, which already outpaces last year's chip. But the real kicker? A big jump in memory speed. According to Ice Universe, the S26 Ultra will ship with DDR5X RAM clocked at 10.7 GB per second, matching Micron's latest and greatest. That's around 11 to 12% faster than the S25 Ultra's 9.6 GB per second. Plus, it's about 20% more power efficient. Translation: quicker multitasking, smoother 8K video recording, higher frame rates in games, and sharper photo processing, all while sipping less power. And that's only one part of the story. We're also hearing about a sleeker frame, slightly bigger display with thinner bezels, and that cutting-edge Snapdragon built by TSMC. Put all of that together, and the S26 Ultra could easily be one of the most compelling Galaxy flagships in years. So what's your take? Does this sound like the upgrade you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments.